He's outside the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal. As you can see, we are here celebrating the Arsenal winning the league. Tell them what? Champions of England.
We're just champions of England. We're gonna go win the Champions League. Come on!
This is the vibes. You see the vibes. Look at that. Arsenal. Come on. We are here. You see the vibes, the energy. Look at man. Mood. Samusa guys. ñu ko wax Arsenal jël na Premier League bi tey di ngeen am vlog boo xam ne lépp YouTube bi seetaan leen ko.
waaw acca boo gars yi fekk si leen ñu YouTube ñu wan leen gars yi ni ñu koy feetoo ak ni ñu dundee seen victoire bi ak ñi préparé finale Ligue des Champions bi tamit acca gars yi.
Vibes Arsenal again. Ole. Arsenal, look at the vibes. Come on, guy, top ma wan la. Hold on.
Oh, Gary Neville, you fucking mug! I'll fucking smack you!
Look at that! Arsenal fans. Look at that. Nice. Pour après, par exemple, si def interview mën nañu ko si teg quoi laaj ko ba.
What do you mean vidéo normal?
Non, normal kii. Pas Snapchat normal kii.
Snapchat vidéo normal kii lépp.
Ah. Man sama normal vidéo moo gën a leer. Waa leer na kay leer.
TikTok kay moo leer.
TikTok waaw.
TikTok kay saa
yi dugaloo ko.
Non. Arsenal.
Jëlal TikTok. Make a noise.
Tàmbaleel.
Ah?
Say something. Okay, tàmbaleel.
Wala
nga wax lan dama.
Ma jox la kii. Ma jël ko tey.
What? So who deserves to win the Premier League?
Arsenal.
And why do you think that?
They were better.
And who do you support?
Oh?
Who do you support?
Me?
Yeah.
Arsenal.
Are you sure?
What? 100%. Why are you asking me that question?
Just in case, because you know you might be in cover.
Yeah, that's normal.
Your friend doesn't have any.
Look at that.
Yes.
One word.
One word. Yeah. Legends, motherfucking legend. Legend, Daddy, one word.
One word.
For what, sorry?
One word.
Incredible.
We will now dominate football.
For
Champione, ole. Champione, ole.
Senegal, of course.
Can I change my words?
Of course.
Champions!
Where from you?
I'm from Arsenal FC. We're by far the greatest team the world has ever seen. Listen, we are the champions. To all the haters that tried to count us out throughout the season, throughout the past 22 years, Arsenal. You
much, ladies.
Best day of my life. In one word, sorry. In one word, apocalyptic. That's as good as it gets.
Wow,
this is
wow,
the day
wow.
to end all days.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So moving forward, you know, Arsenal is going to play the Champions League final in a few days. So what's the score going to be? And do you reckon Arsenal is going over that hurdles, over PSV?
Yeah. No, I've got every confidence. I'm sorry. If it wasn't for Donnarumma last season, we'd have beaten them. And I think we'll be better than them. They're the favourites. We're the underdog.
Exactly.
We've got every chance. I think we'll go and batter them.
It's going to be the Champions League final against PSG. Like, you reckon that Arsenal is going to win?
I hope so. I'm going to be here watching it. I couldn't get a ticket in Budapest, but I got one for the big screen. So if it happens, it's going to be mad.
What's the score? What's the score?
I don't know.
5-0 for the Gunners.
I'd love to say that. I think more likely 2-1.
2-1.
We are here with Léo. Comment tu vas, Léo?
Bien.
Tu viens d'où?
De France.
Où en France exactement?
Nantes.
À Nantes. Tu supportes Arsenal depuis quand?
Depuis toujours.
Et pourquoi? C'est quoi ton histoire avec Arsenal? Pourquoi pas Paris? Pourquoi pas Nantes?
C'est le club de la famille. Parce que c'est le club de la famille.
C'est le sang donc.
Voilà.
Et entre Paris Saint-Germain et Arsenal, tu supportes qui?
Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Oui.
Donc tu aimes Arsenal?
Oui.
Et aujourd'hui, comment tu te sens en regardant Arsenal gagner cette trophée?
Je suis hyper content parce que ça fait depuis longtemps qu'on essaye de le gagner. On finit toujours deuxième et on n'arrive pas à gagner le titre.
Si tu avais une seule mot à dire, ce serait quoi aujourd'hui?
Je suis hyper heureux.
Ah, merci beaucoup, Léo.
Today.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Magical.
One word to describe this day. One word. You just
Absolutely insane.
well.
Insane.
Arsenal hasn't won the league for 22 years. Like,
I'm 27, like,
Okay.
just to put it into perspective.
Do you remember last
I've been in
time?
the trenches, yeah, like, it's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, for me, the age I am, I remember when we won the FA Cup
Yeah.
and how good it felt.
It was
but
good.
when we won the Premier League, I was a kid.
but nothing like this one, huh?
This, the energy,
How it's gonna be when the vibe? How you feeling, guys?
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
This is a day for history.
History, the best day, really. Yeah. How like after 22 years, guys? It's been long.
Yeah.
It's been long. Like tell us like your history. What you've been through. Like how you feeling?
My lady Sandy wasn't even born the last time Arsenal won Premier League.
She's happy. Yeah. And you?
Me?
Yeah. Like what you've been all through. Like
I'm 16, so.
Hey, don't read it. Don't read it.
Sorry.
Who has been the best player of the season for you? In your opinion?
Gyökeres.
Gyökeres. First time I'm hearing this one.
He's Swedish.
Are you
Swedish. He's the one with the hair flick, yeah? Yeah, my guy Gyökeres with the hair flick. Wallah.
season, yeah, David Raya, but it ain't about that. It's about Arshavin in 09, 4 goals. It's about Shamak in 2011. It's about Van Persie leaving the cunt. Mate, it's all about everything here, yeah. Arsenal! Mate, also, we're beating PSG 3-1 next Sunday.
Has been David Raya. It's all the crucial moments. It's just been him. Well, not just been him, obviously, but like anytime he needs to clutch up, he clutches up. Like against West Ham, he saved that one-on-one. He saved that game, and without him, we wouldn't have won the league. So I think David Raya is will be our best player, our most reliable at least. Our best player.
I think our best player this season has been Declan Rice, without a shadow of a doubt. The man's a rock in the midfield. They've all played brilliant, but for me, it's got to be Declan Rice. He's the man. He's played absolutely out of his skin. I'm so glad we got him from West Ham a couple of seasons ago. And when we bought Eze at the beginning of the season, that was like the final piece in the jigsaw. When we got Eze, I said to myself, we're winning the league this season. And look now, mate, we've won the league. Up the Gunners!
Drinking your tears right now.
You went through a lot.
You know where we are? You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing, man. You ain't nothing. That's
what do you think is the best? What do you think was the best player during the season?
Gabriel, 100%. Number 6, best player of the season. 100.
What do you think of Tottenham?
Shit.
What do you think of shit?
Tottenham.
That's all right.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then, yeah, ready? Yeah, guys, how are you feeling after 22 years winning the league? Well, I'm gonna ask them first. How are you feeling?
Great.
Because obviously you didn't see the last time that Arsenal won it. How are you feeling?
Well, I mean, I wasn't really alive back then, but I mean, I'm really excited. First ever Premier League, and hopefully we win the Champions League as well.
Hopefully the Champions League as well. How long you planning to party this win?
Every day.
Every day. You see how they partying in here. What do you think of who was the best player during the season?
For me,
yeah,
there's a few, but to me, it's got to be Gabriel and Raya. It has to be.
Of course,
it has to be. It has to be.
Of course. And now, expectation for the World Cup and the final, the Champions League final as well. For the expectation for the Champions League final.
Well, listen, with this, there's only one way, and that's up.
Yeah.
Look at us. No other team in London can do this.
That's true. Because, but how it's gonna be after winning the Champions League? Winning the league is like this. How it's gonna be winning the Champions League?
You think this is big? If we win the Champions League, it's going to be double this.
It's going to be mad, crazy. No, that's cool. And last question, expectation for this World Cup. We saw the list for the England for the World Cup. What are the expectation and the player that don't go to the World Cup as well?
Well, that's the manager's choice. For me, he's made a couple wrong decisions, but you just got to stick by him, innit?
How far do you think England can go?
We got a chance. Everyone's got a chance. Anything can happen. Yeah.
That's nice, though. That's nice, though. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next one. Yeah? Thank you.
I'll be here till next week.
Until next week, until the final, isn't it?
That's it.
If you let us come back to yours, we'll be there all week.
And what's the expectation for the final then?
To win, 100%. We never go to lose.
If we go 1-0 up, I think it's out.
It's done.
Arsenal's
Your score is 1-0 for you.
Arsenal's a football club. We're big enough. We don't go to lose. We're big enough that we take on anyone.
And when you score, what do you think is going to be the score?
2-0 Arsenal.
Who's going to score?
Ooh, that's a good question. I reckon Saka gets one, and I reckon Gyökeres get one.
Gyökeres.
I'll go with that, mate. I'll make that same assumption. Saka, Gyökeres.
100%.
Martin, what do you think is was the best player during the season?
Gabriel. I think the passion he shows. The passion he shows is second to none. Declan Rice, 100%. Declan Rice is a great player.
Consistency, Declan Rice.
But I think it's very rare that you find someone that shows.
Without the midfield, up the Arsenal.
Up the Arsenal.
How was you the last time Arsenal won the league?
Oh man.
Oh, sorry, that's a personal question. No. So how are you feeling today? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I've only known this is my only victory that I've
Wow.
because I've been a fan for 20 years.
20 years.
We haven't
Die-hearted fan. 22. Wow. That's quite a long time. So finally Arsenal are going to win the league.
Yes.
Whoa.
I've been following.
So what's your day plan today like? After today, after this any after party?
Anywhere. I'll just follow along. Everybody.
You're gonna make sure you interview us. I mean, you're gonna make sure you invite us. So this specific day that Arsenal is finally after 22 years champions.
Legendary, bro. It's legendary, man. Legendary. It's been 22 years.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, I'm 37, so I waited a long time.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? So
you was a child at the time, isn't it?
Yeah. I was a child, but yeah, it's been a long time, bro.
So what's your wish? Do you want this to continue in the next few years, or?
Yeah, it will. It definitely will. It's gonna continue for the next few years, bro.
Okay,
Pep's
bro.
gone now, so we're gonna reign. The margins have been so tight with Pep and Arteta. Now I feel like Arteta's gonna take control now. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to it, bro. I think the next few years are gonna be Arsenal's, bro. So yeah,
me too, though. I wish you today.
Thanks.
Are you guys from London?
Yeah.
Wow. So after 22 years, finally Arsenal going to win the league. What are you guys thinking? How are you guys emotional today?
We are very happy. Finally, it's about time because the abuse that we've received in those 22 years, only God knows. But you know what? We've done it. We are champions!
Champion of England!
Good.
You're doing good. So how are you feeling after 22 years? Boss, how are you guys feeling after 22 years? Wait.
You know.
Wait, after 20 years, Arsenal got to win the league finally.
Yes, Arsenal won the league. Chelsea bought the league. City bought the league. Arsenal won the league.
Wait, can I say something?
This is what football can do.
So why did you say Arsenal won the league and Chelsea bought the leagues?
You know what I'm talking about. Before us, we saw Arteta going through the mill. Yeah, he's never coached before.
Yes.
This is the first time he's coaching, and he's done it. I mean, if you talk about
Let me say.
Hold on.
Is it okay to celebrate now? Arsenal,
You know where we are.
Yes.
Champions up.
You know when you talk about resilience, that's what we've just seen.
Okay.
And you know,
ladies and gentlemen, I think this guy have a lot to say.
I've got a lot to say. For the first time, I've seen a Jew hugging a Muslim.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's been 22 years since the last time Arsenal won the league. So how are you feeling? What's your emotion today?
I'm so happy. Like when Arsenal last won the league, I was 4 years old. So you know, it's a long time coming. So I'm very happy.
So do you reckon Arsenal is going to be competing next league, the next competition?
Yeah, I think we are. First of all, we're gonna win
message for the Arsenal supporter that is celebrating this wonderful day today?
It has been fucking amazing. Am I allowed to swear?
Do you have any sort of advice, message?
Keep going. Keep going. Because our team will always win. Always win. And we have. It took us 22 years, but we've done it. We've fucking done it.
And also first, not second.
Not London.
Champions. I know you see.
We know where we are. The Gunners.
Live at the Emirates. They're
Victor Gyökeres. Yo, what is this, man?
I wish this was it.
Boom, boom, boom. Who's your favorite player, though?
Saka. Big up Saka.
Big up Saka. Who's your favorite player? Victor Gyökeres. What about you, brother?
Do the dumbbells thing.
Lewis Kelly.
Yo!
49, Lewis Kelly.
I think Bukayo Saka over fucking Lionel Messi.
Lewis Kelly, though. What like?
Nah, listen. I think Bukayo Saka.
We built the league. We fucking built the league.
We're champions, bro.
Champions of England.
We are champions of England.
Eberiche.
Who's your favorite player, though? Who's your favorite player, bro?
Eberiche. I love him, bro. But shout out to my boy Brice.
Shout out. Ladies first. Ladies go first.
I'm great. I'm doing great.
Okay. How about you, sir?
22 years. I've waited for this. I'm so excited, man.
Yeah, finally. So how old was you? Can I ask that, though? The last time Arsenal won it?
2024. 2004, sorry.
Okay. So, my question is for you.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that Arsenal are going to do the same thing, repeat this title for next year?
For sure. So that's the standard is set right now. So we are hoping that we can do this again. Mikel Arteta has built a solid team, and right now we are ready to take over. For sure.
Okay. Wow.
So we're ready.
I wish you guys the best of luck.
Yeah,
Who's your favorite player in the team?
Bukayo Saka.
Big up to Saka! So, for the lady, what do you think Arsenal is going to do in coming the final for the Champions League? Do you think Arsenal's going to win it?
Yeah.
You think Arsenal's going to win against PSG?
Going to win it.
Wow.
Champions of England.
That's a
next week.
Listen, it's a heavy mountain to climb.
That's okay.
Do you know reckon it's a heavy mountain to climb?
I know.
Against PSG.
We are currently the champions of England, and the next tax right now, next week, I'm going to be doing this, and we're going to be champions of Europe.
How you doing, brother?
I'm doing very well, thank you, very well.
So, how are you feeling today, though? Finally, after 22 years, Arsenal got to win the league.
Yeah. You know what? We're doing very well as a club. You get me? It's just the beginning of many things. You get me? 22 years is a minor. We're winning the next year, the year after that. Get me?
Do you reckon Arsenal is going to be able to compete?
100%.
Next.
100%. Yeah.
Sure.
Total confidence. Yes. Next year, double, treble, everything. Watch everything.
Wow.
Okay, we might leave the Carabao for Man City and them boy there. Yeah, the cool boy Man City, but big man over here, Arsenal. You get me? One time.
You heard him, ladies and gents. You heard him.
What?
Arsenal is going to. Yeah.
Your channel. I'm gonna join it.
Yo, give him the channel, yeah. We are the Arsenal.
Arsenal won it, yes. We won it 3 times before. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing for the kids, for the whole of the Arsenal family. This is great, mate. It still hasn't sunk in properly, but this is beautiful. Yeah? So we big up the Arsenal and everybody. Yeah? Big up, big up, big up.
Big up, big up. So basically, do you reckon the Arsenal is going to challenge?
They're going to beat Champions League, we're going to beat PSG, and we're going to retain the title, mate. Forget about Man City.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible that we won the league. I wasn't even alive, so that's crazy. And I couldn't breathe in the crowd. It's very loud.
So today is one of your happiest moments, yeah?
Yeah.
So do you have any advice for the fans to behave themselves? Just party. Thank you, big man.
It's Burnley Me days, Burnley from 1970 something. I know George Graham days, so I know so we've won trophies. This is the longest drought, but this is our time. Let me tell you, and we're gonna beat PSG, batter them.
Champions League Cup is fucking coming.
Is it?
Back to fucking London.
Right. Yes.
Yes, you heard.
What's up, PSG?
What are you saying, big man?
PSG, just get ready. Saka, go. Declan, go. Madueke, go.
What's the score? What's the score going to be?
3-0.
Love Arsenal.
Arsenal, we love Arsenal.
You heard?
We're doing it. 3, 2, 1. Them dead.
Just a quick one, yeah? Please describe for me this day today in one word.
In one word.
Yes, sir.
Winners. Is that a good word?
Yeah, of course. Did you heard what she said?
Family.
Ooh, deep.
Togetherness.
Woo! Clock Hey, you go hard, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
This day in one word.
The best day ever.
Good, man. I'm good, man. It feels good to be a winner. It feels good.
Yes.
After 22 years.
22 years, man. 22 long years. I'm 17, bro.
Nah, you was not even born yet.
I
bro.
was born. I was in my dad's boots. We're champions. 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 Ole, ole, ole. Champions, ole, ole, ole. You know, young.
Yes, man. Right, get her back.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Yeah, just a quick question.
Let's interview on YouTube. Yeah,
I'm
thank
scraping
you.
them.
So, ladies.
Yes.
Just a quick. So, quick one.
Yeah.
I want you guys to describe this day in one word.
Absolutely brilliant. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Perfect. You heard? Brilliant. Beautiful. And perfect.
How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good, man.
Oh my.
So how you feeling it today, like?
Brother, the feeling is I can't explain the feeling, bro. It's just everyone is happy here, buzzing. I'm happy as well. After 20
Everyone is happy, you heard him. Everyone is happy.
After 22 years, brother. Oh my God. Look. These are just casually, people coming out, celebrating the title. And I think we deserved it. We played.
Totally.
Yeah.
We deserve it.
Absolutely.
After 22 years, like you said, come on, man. The feeling, I feel like I've never witnessed Arsenal win any league. Do you understand? The last time I was very, very young. Do you know that? So this is the first one that I'm actually like, whoa, I have to see the turn up of the people. So it's maniac, honestly. So my question for you is, do you reckon Arsenal is going to... Champions. What do you guys think of the Champions League?
We're gonna make it.
What do you guys think of the Champions League?
We're gonna bring it. We're gonna bring it home. Let's go.
Listen. It's a high mountain to climb.
No.
PSG.
Look, we already beat them once. And I still believe we can make it. As a team, we got the chemistry.